Welcome again. This is the military gooner, aka Lobe Arsenal. Now, I want to touch on a few points. First, the Pablo deal. Secondly, the Cedric deal. Thirdly, Martinelli. Now first, Pablo is a highly rated defender in the Brazilian league. Highly rated. Now, what caught my eyes about Pablo is that he is a very intelligent defender. And for a long while now, our backline, our defense and our back four needs someone with a headpiece, someone that can think, someone that is not rash. I'm not sure who Mikel Arteta is going to pair him with. I'm not quite sure, but preferably I would pair him with David Luiz. My only concern in that is that they both are quite slow. Now, pair him in with Socrates means we'll have a slow defender, be an aggressive one, with also a very quick defender, because Socrates is quite a quick defender. He has a lot of pace. No, I'm not sure the epidemic that Mikel Arteta might go through with finding the back pair. But this is a good epidemic that I would see that Arsenal would have in picking a back four or picking two centre half, because for a long while we've been short in that area and we have no quality in that area. Now, the idea about Pablo is that a lot of us Arsenal fans are looking at glamorous names and big signing fee. Not all big signing fee definitely means that the player is the quality that the team needs, and the player is the type of player that fits the system that is being put in place. Arteta knows the reason why he wants Pablo. It could be possible